Have you ever been singing your favorite song and suddenly your voice cracks out of nowhere? Well, it's embarrassing, it's frustrating, and it can make you feel like you can't even sing at all. But here's the truth. Voice cracks are completely normal, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why it happens and how to fix it first. Make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to give you some simple exercises that you can actually do to stop it immediately. First, what is a voice crack? A voice crack happens when your voice suddenly breaks or flips, especially while you are trying to go from a low note to a high note, or when your voice is not properly supported. Just think of it like your voice losing control for a minute. That is what a voice crack is. That takes us to the reasons why your voice crack. Now, first, it could be due to lack of proper breath support. Yes, if you're not using your diaphragm properly, then your voice can become unstable, and that is one of the biggest causes of voice cracks. So, you need to know how to use your diaphragm properly, and I have discussed that in my previous video. So, I'm going to paste a link of that video, how to sing from your diaphragm. I have part 1, part 2, and part 3. I'm going to paste their links in the description below. Another reason why your voice could crack is tension in the truth. Yes, when there is tension in the truth, it could make your voice crack. This might mean that you have been forcing the notes, especially during high notes, causing your throat to tighten, and boom, your voice cracks. A third reason why your voice could crack is lack of proper warm up. Yes, when you jump straight up and start singing without warm up, a voice crack can happen. It's just like a person who wants to run. Let's say a person wants to run a marathon and he just started without preparing himself, without warming up, without stretching. He will not be able to perform as well as he would. So also it is with singing. You need to do proper warm up before starting to sing. A fourth reason why your voice could crack is switching registers. Yes, switching from your chest voice to your head voice, from your chest voice to your head voice. Yes, this is a big one because when you don't know how to smoothly transition between your chest voice and your head voice, a voice crack happens. Then, the last but not the least could be dry throat or dehydration. Yes, when you are not fully hydrated, when your throat is dry, your vocal cords will also be dry and it will not move smoothly. So these are reasons why a voice crack could happen. Now let's discuss how can you fix these issues. To fix these issues, first you need to learn how to use proper breath control. Yes, how do you do this? Now, take a deep breath in. While you take that deep breath in, make sure that it is not your chest that is expanding, but it is what? It is your stomach, okay? And then you're gonna inhale and exhale with a sound, okay? You have to control that airflow. That is what breath control is. Now let's go. Breathe in. Let's go again. Breathe in. Yes, you have to control that airflow. Make sure you are feeling it in your diaphragm. Make sure you are feeling that pain in your stomach. That is when you will know if you are doing the right thing or not. Number two way to fix voice crack is this. You need to relax your throat. Yes, since tension can cause a voice crack, then relaxing your throat can actually relieve it. So yes, relax your throat. Stop forcing notes. High notes should not be forced. They should feel light and not pushed. So think easy. Yes, think easy instead of powerful when you're going on a high key. Okay? Relax. The third way to fix voice crack is doing lip trills. Yes, this is one of the best exercises that you can do that can help fix voice crack. How do you go about it? All you have to do is to close your lips but not too tightly so you can actually do the brr. Then you can go from low to high, from low to high, slowly. This helps you to be able to transition smoothly. Next up is Practicing slides, yes, also known as siren. Now, how can you do this? You have to go from low to high like a siren. Wee, just like that. The last but not the least thing that you can actually do to fix voice crack is warm up. Like I said, you have to warm up before singing. Never skip your warm ups. Quick routine. Do your humming, do your scales, do your proper warm up. It will really help you fix that voice crack. Now let's try it together. First, we're gonna do the lip trill. Now, after I do mine, you're gonna pause the video and try yours. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Brrr, 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 brrr. Again, brrr. Just like that, okay? That's how to do your lip trill. So practice, okay? Pause the video and try yours. Next up, let's do some humming. Now, while you're humming, make sure you're feeling that vibration in your face, okay? If you're not feeling it there, you're doing the wrong thing. I'm sure you know this song. I Believe I Can Fly. That's what I'm humming. So let's do it again. Okay, that's it. Now pause the video and try yours. Next up is the scales. All you have to do is the do re mi. Okay? Now let's go. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. Let's go. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, again. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. Now repeat after me. Do, do ti la sol, fa mi, re, do. Do ti la sol, fa mi, re, do. Now, while you are doing this, if you are not feeling that thing you are doing in your diaphragm, in your stomach, you are doing the completely opposite thing. Make sure you are feeling that pain there. Then that means that yes, you're doing the right thing. Now you can play with it by using lyrics, okay? Let's go. Oh, let me say, let me say to you, let me say to you all now. Oh, let me say, let me say to you, let me say to you all now. You get it? Now pause the video and try it out. I'm gonna sing a song, Quantity by CK. Now you can sing with me or you can choose to let me sing, and then after I sing, you can sing yours. Now let's go. My baby, my Valentine. God, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, your loving, they torturing me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi, ooh, your body never got me, see, ooh, give me love, make I see, ooh, give me love, want it, where we make a bad girl sing, Your turn. If your voice cracks sometimes, don't panic. The truth is that even professional singers experience it at times. What matters is control and your consistency. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And let me know, what do you struggle with? What would you like me to discuss next in my video? Well, till the next video, bye!